Good morning, children. So today we are going to see product, sum, and difference formula. Okay. So let us start with these formulas. So first one is 2 times sine A into cos B is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Next is 2 into cos A into sine B is equal to sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Here A and B are angles. Okay. And third one is 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Fourth one is 2 times sine A into sine B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So in this one you have to be careful, okay? Whenever you have both, when you see both are sine, in that case you see here the first one is with minus, okay? So 2 times sine A into sine B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, okay? And next set of formulae we have this, okay? First one is sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Next is sine C minus sine D is equal to 2 times cos C plus D upon 2 into sine C minus D upon 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 times cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. This one is like you have to be careful for this one. When you have something like this cos C minus cos D, then this will be 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into sine D minus C upon 2. Okay, so till now you have to observe that these are all C minus D upon 2. Okay, but when you have something like this cos C minus cos D, so cos some angle minus cos some other angle, then that this will be equal to this 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into sine D minus C upon 2. Okay, so for this you have to be careful. Okay, same way for this you have to be careful. Okay, okay, this you have done in class 8 only, cross multiplication. Since we have got one question where cross multiplication is required, okay, that's why just I give you this. So if you have simultaneous equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, okay, then by cross multiplication you solve the given equation by this formula. Okay, for example, I have simultaneous equation over here. Okay, 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, 3x minus 1y minus 3 equal to 0. So here you can see this is your a1, this is your b1, this is your c1, okay, a2, b2, c2, and you use this formula. Okay, substitute the values and you will get the values of x and y. Okay, so after substituting I get this. Okay, then x upon 14 equal to minus y upon minus 21 equal to 1 upon 7. So you equate these two, in that way you can get the value of x, and when you equate this with this, then you get the value of y. Okay, so this is how cross multiplication is done. Okay, so this is your cross multiplication method for solving this simultaneous equation. Let us come to the questions. So we will do exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Here it says prove that 2 times cos 45 degree into sine 15 degree is equal to this. Okay, so left hand side just copy it. Here this is your angle 45 and this angle is 15. Okay, so when we have already seen formula, okay, that if we have 2 times cos A into sine B, then this will be equal to sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. So in this question, in place of A we have got 45, in place of B we have got 15 degree. Okay, so using this formula, okay, using this formula, this can be written as sine 45 degree plus 15 degree minus sine 45 degree minus 15 degree. Okay, so this would become sine 60 minus sine 30. This is a standard angle, you know the values, so that way you will get your right hand side. Okay, next is 2 times sine 45 into sine 15 degrees. This we have to prove. So you know the formula, 2 times sine A into sine B is given by cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, so here your A is 45 and your B is 15. So use this formula and that we will get this. Then cos 30 minus cos 60. This is what you get your right hand side. Next is prove that sine 70 degree plus sine 50 is this much. So we'll start with the left hand side. So this is your like angle C, this is your angle D, and we know the formula. Okay, this formula, that if you have got something like this, sine C plus sine D, okay, like here you can see sine 70 plus sine 50. So your C value is 70, your D value is 50. So you know that if you have something like this, then it will be equal to 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Okay, so put the values, okay, and you will get this, root 3 into cos 10. Next is cos 40 degree minus cos 80 degree is equal to root 3 into sine 20. We have to prove. So we will start with the left hand side. So this is like your C, this is your D, and we know the formula, okay, that if you have got something like this, cos C minus cos D, then this is equal to 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into D minus C upon 2. Okay, so substitute the values and evaluate, and at the end you will get this right hand side. Okay, so it's proved. Next is prove that this is your homework. Okay, so here it says in numerator you have got sine 75 degree plus sine 15 upon cos 75 degree plus cos 15 equal to 1. So what you will do, you will start with your left hand side. For numerator you can use that formula sine C plus sine D. For denominator you can use separately formula cos C plus cos D. Okay, simplify and at the end you will get 1. Okay, this one, question 3.2, sine 2a plus sine 3a upon cos 2a minus cos 3a equal to cot a by 2. Okay, so we will start with the left hand side, and for numerator we can use that formula sine C plus sine D, and for denominator we will use cos C minus cos D formula. Okay, so sine C plus sine D, so here C is 2a, D is your 3a. So you know sine C plus sine D formula will give you this. Okay, 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Okay, and this is cos C minus cos D format. Okay, so you will get 2 times sine C plus D upon 2 into sine D minus C upon 2. Okay, so you simplify it. Okay, and at the end you will get your right hand side. And this homework you have to do in same way. Okay, for numerator you have to use that sine C plus sine D, and for denominator cos C plus cos D formula, and you will get the answer. Question 4, show that sine A minus sine B upon cos A plus cos B equal to tan A minus B upon 2. We will start with our left hand side. So this is like sine C minus sine D, here cos C plus cos D. Use the formula, substitute the values, okay, and you will get your right hand side tan A minus B upon 2. So this is all for today's lecture.